What is the best way to hire a sales team? So let's start by taking a look at in-house reps. There are a few benefits to hiring in-house. Face-to-face conversations between you and your reps allow for clearer communication. Plus, reps can acquire more of an in-depth knowledge of your company if they're coming into the office every day. You could also take advantage of being more hands-on and be better with your management. But it can become complicated, as it is sometimes difficult to find quality local talent. You would also be restricted to the reps that are within commuting distance to the office only. The entire interview process is also particularly time-consuming. Posting a job can be difficult, and the interviews take up a lot of time and are costly. You need to supply a place for them to work if you do find reps to employ. There's rent to think about, which is expensive, and depending on your situation, you may not even have the room for your new hires to work in a physical office. Another necessity to keep in mind is that in-house W-2 reps require costs including payroll, benefits, desk space, office costs, and oversight management, which you need to provide for them. Although based on your location, these finances will vary. But if you live in a city like New York, your hires could be pretty expensive. So now let's talk about remote hiring. When hiring remotely, you've expanded your options to a global talent pool of sales reps from an unlimited number of locations. You could possibly find workers in a different country that are better than sales reps in the United States at a lower price. You could also discover talent in the United States, but you're not limited to reps that are only in your area. Also, income expectations and cost of living differ greatly depending on where somebody lives. So by hiring remotely, the clients looking to hire can take advantage of this benefit. If by chance someone doesn't work out, it's pretty simple to find a replacement through a remote site. You could also hire somebody within a few hours instead of a couple weeks or more. So now let's take a look at some remote sites that are out there for you to choose from. You can find remote sales talent on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, but these sites only provide the software to screenshot what your reps are doing on the computer. They don't actually provide the software to monitor their calls or keep track of call outcomes or track how much time is actually spent in between calls or their KPIs. They're also not industry specific, and the marketplace itself isn't focused on sales expertise. So if you're looking for a platform with all the features to successfully hire and run a remote sales team in one place, Overpass may be a good option for you. It has a global marketplace for remote sales talent and provides the software to manage, hold your reps accountable, and launch a sales campaign. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any additional questions, and happy selling.